Data is everywhere. Organizations, connected machines, users, they are all sources of data. 90% of this data cannot be stored and analyzed by traditional tools. We call it unstructured data. However, in order to create value, this huge volume of varied data being generated and updated at high velocity must be stored and analyzed, which requires new technological means. This is the challenge of big data. As a matter of fact, leveraging data has never been easier. Let's see why in 4 points. Most big data tools are now open source, since Google and Yahoo developed and distributed freely in 2005 a more flexible and economical technology that could process massive data sets. The monthly cost of hard drive storage space has significantly decreased between 1980 and 2016. The overall processing power for computers more than doubles every 2 years. Data science and artificial intelligence techniques enable companies to go further in their data valuation projects. The success of the top 100 digital companies would actually be due to their ability to create value from captured data. Let's see with 3 examples how big data can be transformed into a great opportunity. First example, with 16,000 sensors installed around the city, Santander managed to reduce by half the frequency with which waste is usually collected, anticipating needs and optimizing collection schedules and routes. Second example, Tesla analyzes both user complaints online and usage data from sensors to anticipate problems in its cars and improve remotely, in real time, the current car software version. Third example, Netflix analyzes data on watched movies, users' mood, and time of the day in order to recommend personalized movies users would probably never watch. 75% of Netflix watched movies are actually based on these recommendations. As for the banking sector, large-scale data exploitation on each client contact point enables banks to improve client relationship and quality of service by being proactive, to capture new clients, and to develop new offers. Big data is also an opportunity to improve risk anticipation for loans, to reinforce transaction security, and to prevent losses through fraud. And big data concerns everyone in the banking sector. If big data seems only technological, it has consequences on how the organization is structured and on the company's culture and work methodologies in order to define beforehand the data usage and the indicators to follow, combine data from different sources, break silos, and encourage collaboration, develop a test and learn culture in order to implement a global data strategy. When used efficiently and according to a code of ethics, big data brings in a huge competitive advantage for companies ready to dive in.